Hey guys, Rhinonator41 here, and today I'm back with Terraria again, and still getting Souls of Light. Freaking meteor head banners that I don't really care about. I've kind of stopped caring about some of the banners. Still hang up a lot of them just because I need one more Soul of Light. Alright, and I'm out. Alright, and now we craft it in here. We get this guy and this guy. I didn't already have that, did I? I would be kind of sad if I already had that. Okay, good, I didn't. Summons Okram, let me save the game. Okay, now to continue working on my base. I am gonna fight Okram next. Like, the next boss I fight is gonna be Okram because I give up on the twins for right now. Okay. So this is nice. I'm gonna mine up everything I can of these chests. I don't know which ones. Okay, it's these two top ones that have stuff in them that I don't have room to carry, really. So we're gonna go ahead and start the construction on this, which it's just gonna be like that. Alright. Yep, that's why I had to get rid of all the torches on the other one. And by the other one, I mean earlier. I don't know why I said on the other one. I swear if it's like a blood moon or something. You know, it'd be funny if the Eye of Cthulhu randomly spawned again. That happened to me on my, I was playing the Pocket Edition, and I was fighting Skeletron for the first time, and freaking Eye of Cthulhu spawned. So, like, while I was fighting Skeletron, so that was a fun time. I mean, I managed to beat them, but still. Alright, here goes. We're gonna place all this stuff down and then place the torches, because I placed them in kind of a stupid place before. But I think I figured out a better place. Alright, so we're gonna place these gold chests down here, 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 here. Alright, and then we're gonna take all this and put it all in here. Uh-oh, not what I meant to do. I need to take out this, everything that's not what I meant to put in. Oopsie. What am I doing here? Oh, definitely need my Ivy Whip. And the torches would be nice too. Okay, and give me... Oh yeah, and then I also need to do this. So I can put the rope there. See, it's times like these I wish I had a death sickle. Oh, wait, I should have put them... Nah, whatever, it doesn't matter. Who cares? I care, never mind. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12... Oh, well, I'm gonna have to go in one anyway, so... Really... Oh, not what I meant to do. If I had it here, yeah, it wouldn't be able to go all the way over. I'm gonna have to alternate them, so like one like this, one like that. Alright, we're gonna do this in an orderly fashion. Oh, the hotbar ones. Always messing me up. Okay, think that's it. Okay, and now we go here, and we put these 3 fish in here. Freaking bass, man. Worst of all the fish. Okay. This is gonna be really cool. This attic is where all these demon eyes hang out apparently, and where the stuff's gonna be stored. I gotta go kill these guys. Whenever you can one-hit KO most things. Oh, including a bunny slime. Okay, now I need to put some of these up. If you put them in the lower part, then there's no way they could possibly interfere with the chests, because chests can't fit in there anyway. And for some reason before, I had them in the worst place ever. Actually, yeah, I can put torches here, okay. Oh my. I think I did this part off camera before, right before the solar eclipse. It's very annoying. Not what I meant to do. Oh, not what I meant to do. Boom. Perfect. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. Whatever. What am I doing? Why didn't I just... Probably the best way would just be to fill all these out like I did earlier. Yep, gonna need to move my workbench. And also this. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do the thing with the pressure plates. No, never mind. I'm wrong. I was wrong. That's not what I'm gonna do. Oh, that was exactly not what I wanted to happen. This was the one thing we didn't want to happen. If you don't get that reference, look it up. It was funny. Alright. This started out as kind of a castle, is what I was going for, but it doesn't really look like that to me anymore, but I still really like how it looks. Because it's new. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end this episode here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys later. No.